Welcome to our vlog.
TikTok na ba?
A day in my life.
Sana kanta si Stu. Pilit na ko nung na-feel.
Gipilit na na, oy.
Ora na.
Dapat ang vlog. Dapat kan mo hinhin dili kay.
Sige, hinta. 1, 2, 3, go.
Dili ang yan.
Oh, ano ra day? Dapat
Oy,
sorry, ari kira.
Tada.
Ako na tape eh.
Hi guys, welcome to our vlog.
Where to check si Steve? Uy, ato yung launa na! Dapat magpakit na na.
Check the weather. Second, choose the right gear. Third, learn basic skills. Fourth, stay hydrated. Fifth, apply and stay with it.
Ikaw na sa lang. Fearless na.
Know how to signal for help.
Ay, nga na gusto ako kay...
Waving arms and be aware of emergency exit points.
Buang.
Guys,
Dali, oy, kaya na naisunod.
Bingo ko kung lay kung tanong.
Medyo bata gigalog, mama. Wala to.
hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Kami sa Secret Cafe guys.
Asan ganin ni?
Secret Cafe. Asa mo? Secret. Seryoso mo sa sige mo pag pa sa vlog.
Pagpahinhin mo yung mag-video ko.
Dapat mo seryoso mo.
Dagan ba yun yung demands? Get ready with me.
Sige daw. Sige, get ready with
Ako
us.
chika ni cry ko ganina.
Kaya kita siya lola.
Kay ana man si Andrea na butngan daw label.
Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. And so for today's video, we are going to get ready for mock defense. So,
We're here at the Secret Cafe though. Grabe ka uwi ang mga tao.
so the first thing I do when I get ready in the morning,
My hair is so nice. Oh, nice going. Balik na punta. Hi guys.
hi guys.
Awa ba tanawon ka na sa among picture ganina. Naasad. Awa among picture kanina. We're so cute. Me, Felice, and Laika. Nasa diha kay late man siya. Oh, pangit.
Hindi ko babakyo kay. But ano ito sa vlog?
So after I set my face with a powder, I'm going to be...
Grabe ka oh. Anyways, I'm gonna get ready because I'm gonna go now.
For my blush, I'm using Bolodos Get Ready With Me in the shade Pomelo.
Look at this sponge. It's like a gradient na. So it's color originally. So the grammar check please.
Yay, matilaw ako, Jera.
Apple.
This is Jera, everyone. Say hi to my vlog. Ay, Arvo. Hi.
Hi po.
Ay, ako naman. Kita mo ata. Gadungan ako.
Sila ka.
Anyways, my skin is kind of giving now compared before. Napo ko yung tiny bumps though because padugo-dugon. But yeah, that's more na akong problem. So,
Uy, alam ba sila? If ikaw nasa tunga kay, ikaw na mamatay. Ako labi.
Uy, awa, diri kay itong, diri kay itong asa. Siya Kaya karon awa tong GC kasi nasa tong
Ikaw.
Mamatay tak naman.
Yes!
Yes, kamatayan. Dogayo sa na kung maka-iPhone next week pa ni kamutan na. Pinagamutan na ko, di ba, Phyllis?
Dapat na ini graduation, before graduation
Na, lagi
or
next week.
grad ball.
Mana, bye. That's it.
Bye guys, see you later.
See you later.
Or maybe never. See you later. Maybe
Ano
never.
sa mga vlog? Dali ba? Ito yung transition ba?
One, two, three, go. So, right now we're in the physics lab with Felice. We're having a mock defense and last group, right? Nakatagamig update guys kay like amo panindigan daw among YouTube channel ko no nya wala ra day ma-post. Diba? So yeah.
Getting cooked.
Yeah, watch us cook. Watch us cook. Anyways, we'll get back to you guys whenever feel na mo mag-video. So,
If dili mo mag-isa guys.
ano na lang. 1, 2, 3, go.
Health and lasting education and skills. We gather this survey and interview to understand if these factors affect livelihood, with livelihood being the dependent variable.
Hi guys, so we are at Jay's house because... Ay, kasaba ba? Nag-story yata diri.
Ilagan mo ba yan? Sa Gcash.
Basta gani, John. John, cheat. John, cheat.
Balodo is not here because dito ko siya. And her post-on is so sakit. Time check, be time check. Time check.
How sleepy are you? Scale of 1 to 10, how?
Time check. Time check. Time check, mga idol.
Muna ba yung YouTube channel? Hi guys.
Uy, na mo YouTube?
Oh. Ano na kung say?
Yo, aduka na biya kayo do, promise. Hang na kayo kung nga. Hang ako nga, hang na kong mata.
Ano dapat ilan sa
Hat, may
Yok!
We're going home.
Hi guys.
I'm coming home. Hi guys, we're going different ways. I'm breaking up with you.
So dope.
Hi bye.
See you never. Bye bye!
Abot na ba yung 60?
I said remember. So... Ayun, nandiyan lang.
Kaya ko kay Bon.
Naghihi siya pag